Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we are making this sweet little and cute Christmas card. So we'll be making this Santa card and it's very easy to make. Before we start making this card, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel. If you have already subscribed it, thank you so much. And don't forget to press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. Now the material required is very simple. We require a white sheet, a small piece of red sheet, any round object, black and red marker or sketch pens, Fevicol and a skin color oil pastel. So the basic material is this. So let's start. Now the first step is we will make a circle. So take any round object. You can also draw it with the help of a compass. I have made a round. Now we will cut this with the help of a scissor. Now we have already cut the circle. So as you all know, we are making a lot of things on Christmas. So for that, you can check the description box. So you can also make all those stuffs which we are making for the Christmas. I have made this circle. We'll keep it aside. Now we'll take a red sheet and we will make a triangle. To make a triangle, what we will do is, I'll tell you how to make a perfect triangle. From the bottom part, we will measure it. Now, if it is 4.5, we'll take a center point. I've taken a center point, a midpoint. Then make a line or take a point on top and then join these two lines. So this is the way we make a perfect triangle. I want a big triangle. I don't want a very small triangle. So the triangle I have made is almost 5 inches. I will write down this in the description box also. And I'll give you the playlist in which we are making a lot of Christmas material. So we have started with a 7-day Christmas challenge where we are teaching 7 different Christmas items. You can just check that and create that. So this one is also done. So one big circle, one triangle, and I want one more small circle. So what I will do is, I will take any small cap and I will make a small circle here. And I will cut this small circle also. So we require only 3 pieces. Now what we'll do is, the first step is to fold it from the center. So join these 2 edges, right, and make a crease. We got this center. So this is done. The next step is, we will take this triangular one. From the bottom part, we will fold it. We'll fold a little from the bottom part. And we will give one more fold from the top. So I'm just turning it around. That's it. This was it. I have just turned it around. So my cap is ready. What I'll do is, I'll first paste this part of my cap. Apply some Fevicol and paste it. I have pasted my cap. That's the first step. Now the second step is, I will paste the cap over here. So what I'll do is, I will apply some more Fevicol on this edge. And I will paste my cap. On the back side I have pasted it. I have this extra piece, so I will again put some Fevicol and I will paste it over here. And I'll let it dry. Now what I will do is I will make the face here. The way we have created it here, we'll create a face. And what I'm doing is, from inside, first we will make a circle. You can also keep a circular object to make this circle. And now we'll make this line and a line over here. Then we'll make two eyes. We'll make a circle inside the eye. And we'll make a smiley. Now I'm overlapping it with a marker. We can also paste a red sheet over here. So it depends upon you. So very simple steps. Now what we'll do is, we'll take the skin color and we'll fill here with the skin color. I have this dark one, I'll take this dark color. And I'm filling it with a skin color. Don't leave the white space, just fill it properly. After filling it, what we'll do is we'll take the black marker and fill the eyes. And then we'll take a red marker and I am filling it here. So the red nose is here. So our cute little Santa is ready. We can put a just drop of Fevicol, not more, just drop to paste it like this. So our Santa is ready. Our card Santa is ready. You can open it. You can write down Merry Christmas. You can write down Merry Christmas inside, write a message, and you can gift it to your loved ones. So our Christmas cards are ready. So they are very simple cards. You can just decorate them also, and they will move also. I hope you all will enjoy making it. Do make it and share the pictures with us. And of course, don't forget to check the playlist in the description box. You will get amazing ideas for your Christmas decoration, and do create them. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy. Stay safe. And of course, subscribe the channel if you haven't done it till now. Bye.